In a small village in Provence, the sun rises before anyone speaks. The fields are already awake, and somewhere on a dirt path, a man in his 90s is already walking. He has never owned gym shoes. He takes no supplements in the morning, but he is still here sharp, steady, and unhurried. This is what his morning looks like. 5 simple things he does before noon, and not one of them is what you'd expect. His name does not matter. He is one of hundreds like him, scattered across rural Provence. Men and women in their late 80s, their 90s, still tending a small garden, still cooking their own meals, still walking to the market on Saturday. They do not chase longevity. They have simply never stopped living. The first thing he does each morning before coffee, before anything, is step outside. Not to exercise, not to reach a step count. He steps outside because the air is different before 8. Cooler, cleaner, quieter. He walks the same path he has walked for 60 years. A slow loop, 20 minutes, sometimes less. It is not a workout, it is a ritual. Back inside, he makes coffee on the stove. The old way. He eats bread from the day before, local cheese, a bowl of warm soup if he has some left. He sits down to eat. He does not scroll. He does not hurry. Breakfast takes 20 minutes. He has nowhere to be for another hour. By 9, he is in the garden. Not to grow things for sale, just enough for himself. Tomatoes, herbs, a few rows of green beans. He crouches. He digs. He stands back up. His body has been bending and lifting like this for decades. Not in a gym, in the earth. This is the movement his body knows. Around 11, a neighbor, a woman about his age, stops by. They talk at the gate for 10, maybe 15 minutes. About the weather, about the market, about nothing in particular. He laughs at something she says. In these villages, people still speak to each other every single day. Not to be productive, just because it feels natural. After lunch, he rests. He does not call it a nap. He simply sits in the chair by the window, eyes closed. 20 minutes, maybe 30. The village quiets at this hour. It always has. And when he opens his eyes, the afternoon feels new again. No one taught him these habits. He did not read about them in a book. They came from the place and from the people around him. A slow morning, simple food, work with the hands, a word with a neighbor, an honest rest. None of it is complicated. None of it costs anything. And for generations, it has been enough. The sun is lower now. He is back outside sitting, watching the fields, not waiting for anything, just here. Longevity rarely looks dramatic. It looks like this: quiet, steady, unhurried.